Okay, let's try it now. Hello, hello. It's early in the morning. Sorry about any voice issues. No, that's the only time I can record this, so sorry about that. But hello, hello, and welcome back to another episode of The Captain of Industry. I am just about finishing the paving the future for the expansion of our little town city over here. I just moved the railroad construction industries, which I just noticed that I didn't destroy these. I'm just gonna destroy it like this. Currently we have a lot of vehicles, not enough Unity points. So in this episode, in last episode I moved all the filtration system for the city over here. That will be taking care of the wastewater and stuff, and there was a couple of industries here that we are still in the process of moving. And then there's a pipe system which is also going to be moved shortly. Spaghettios are getting done, getting taken care of. Water system here is going to be gone in minutes. The only thing that we're going to have here is pipe of water going in this direction, but I'm probably going to move it a little bit to the right, just to clear space for city expansion in this direction. Over here, what we need to be careful of, we need to be careful that we are processing all this poo. Output is full. 36, that's definitely too much, so let's upgrade you. And you. And initially that should be enough. 36. Oh, we need two more. Okay, I didn't even check the capacities. Let's unpause you and you. That means that we will have to have this upgraded. I'm running out of Unity. This as well. Yeah, but this should give us all the capacity we need to filter all the water here. This is currently a wee bit of a problem. Do we? Here we go. Wastewater. We still have capacity here, and also I think they are delivering. Are they delivering wastewater from somewhere, or what are they doing here? Don't take away my wastewater. You're only allowed to bring it, not take away. Wastewater needs to be filtered here. Okay, this is now faster, and this one, boom, there we go. Let's do it like this. This is now decent capacity, so this conveyor belt can handle 36, but everything after that needs to be larger. And the rest of it should be fine, this one should be fine. We need to upgrade this as well. Do I want to do it now? Why the hell not? This is eventually going to be a thing that we're gonna have to do. Construction materials, huh? No, this is the luxury stuff. Yeah, I was actually in the process of moving these pipes, but unfortunately these pipes, not enough Unity. These pipes, I needed Unity to finish construction, but I can't. I'm a cheapskate, so there's no Unity left. What I'm gonna be doing in this episode, we're gonna be redoing this pipe system, we're gonna be removing this water system, we're gonna be untangling this. Half of these pipes are gonna be gone, well, half and most of it. Only one pipe going in, as far as I can see, is gonna be left here. The other pipe going out, no. We will have a balancer approximately here, water balancer, that's gonna be balancing all the water that we are producing. What water? So big picture, what water is being introduced into the system from here? Currently, we have a big source of water over here, and we have the recycled water here. Recycled water being from the recycling for the raw water treatment, which also is going to be prioritized. It is being prioritized here, and we have. I can do even better, because water production is here and water consumption is the city. Even this pipe can be shortened. We can put a pipe going into this system over here and shorten this distance. We can even use the existing pipes from here and then connect it over here, and we can remove the whole water pipe from here and use this balancer as our main balancer for the city water system. So this pipe going in, the small one, is going to be supplying water from the mountains, but it's only going to be excess water that we might or might not need, depending on how much water we're getting from the production system here. You can see that we're getting low on brine at the moment. And I did put in operation this evaporation pond, waiting for products. This evaporation pond also is kind of dodgy, iffy, because what we are getting here is only excess water from this production, which is not maximum 96, obviously, because the whole pump is 108. But actually, I can do the recipe, right? I can do the recipe, so it's gonna give us max water. This brine is also the only problem we have with this brine is that we are consuming a lot of brine to make chlorine, but that's for the tank. Once the tank is full, we're only gonna be producing what we consume, and currently it's 16, that's 32. At the moment, and that's with maximum. What is this? Output is full. Still poo. Okay, we're consuming here. What are we consuming? Yeah, this one needs to be finished. Yeah, we need six more construction parts too. What is with the water here? Poo is not a problem. Obviously, it's being consumed. I'm really happy about that. So we are already running at overcapacity. No, under capacity. So it's just we need to clear this out. So once we clear the conveyor belts, which is going to be cleared after we have the anaerobic digester, potentially we even, like, depending how fast these guys are working, potentially we already have capacity. So no issues there. Okay, so continuing on, we have not enough unity for one thing. I don't know what the thing is though. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Unity needs to be restocked. Unity should be fine now. I'm gonna speed this up so we are sure that everything is working. This is being consumed. Great. Compost needs to be emptied. Let's go like this. And then tell these guys notify if over 70 or 50%. Over 25% I think should be fine. Same thing here, notify if over 25% full, and tell this gas needs to go. So we have big storage for compost, we have a big storage for gas. Beautiful. Hopefully big trucks are going to be dealing with this, but yeah, who knows. All of it is done. More gas, more fertilizer for the people. Water here should be going up. Unity is up to 4. We're gonna go and do the basics first. Let's see the brine here. The brine is getting very, very low. We should get more brine now. I can construct this, but I'm not sure if I really need it. How much brine are we consuming here? Where's the brine going? Over here. I mean, like, it's double the aluminium production, which we don't really need. Actually, do we? Waiting for products. Why are you not? You're also waiting for products. Why are you? You're also waiting for products. 72. Ha! This is definitely not working out for us. So let's go upgrade this. Build it like this. Everything needs to be upgraded. 72 each is, by the way. I can tell you straight away that we're gonna have problems with this because aluminium at the moment, yes, it's here, but aluminium all the way here is very low. So we're gonna have to go for another mill. Run off the mill. What's the capacity? 72. Let's set this as well. That's more than 60, so let's go like this. And that means we're gonna need more of this, and more of this is a problem because we are not taking care of the rocks. What do we do with the rocks? Rocks currently is not being dumped here because we don't have any more space. We have a dump for the rocks right here. But this is the logistics issue again. Again with the logistics, huh? That's it. I'm gonna be dumping more rocks here. This is getting not really low, but I know I'm gonna have to go for a good stuff here. Well, we have another... Well, no, we don't need the excavators. We don't need the excavators for now, but... Oh, I didn't build this? Oh, darn. Yeah, Unity. Unity these days. High supply of compost. No, I'm not supposed to have that notification. This notification is not needed. This is constantly draining it, so this is just overflow of compost. No mining designation in this area. Yeah, I'm kind of cheapskating my way into this coal that is left over here, so let's go for it. I see copper is being dodgy as well, so I'm gonna go for good stuff. Copper, good stuff, copper here. Good Gustav. Gustav copper. I had two Gustavs working with me. Swedish guys. Amazing people. There we go. Let's do it this way. Let's take one layer off here and see how... well, this will be one layer, but the next one is gonna be lower, so yeah. Next one is the sand people. Sand people, we are running out of sand people. This is again something that is gonna be a big project. I'm gonna deal with this when we are done. Let's go with L. Okay, we don't care anymore about this, so I'm gonna go for this part of the dune. Try to get some of this sand from here, and what about here? It's going in all directions, so let's go for another layer of the dam. They're building the dam layer, so I'm gonna leave them to it. More mining, more mining. We are done here. That's beautiful to see. Let's go for the L. Let's see where the... I'm gonna slow this down. We're getting a lot of notifications. Let's go like this. First of all, there's nothing more to mine over here. Oh yeah, I'll put another another excavator here. Since there's nothing much to mine here, I'm just gonna go like this. And have them cheapskate this limestone out. That's fine. And then, looks like there's some here. There's some on the floor here that I'm gonna go after as well. Let's go like this. And we'll work from here. We'll work from here. Okay, speed up again. Speed up. Research. Why don't I have research? I bet I'm spending some bonuses on this research. Yeah, let's go one by one. Electronics, consumer electronics, that's more aluminum consumption, maybe. Electronics 5, that's a big one. Titanium, okay, this is the easiest one. Everything is complicated. Well, solar panels, I can put this on a queue as well, but that's gonna be for later. Okay, low supply of brine, or also known as brine. I should be prioritizing brine over here, but I'm hoping that it's gonna be fine. I see empty spots here. I should be balancing this out as well, because we don't need that much chlorine. Or maybe we need more brine. Maybe I shouldn't be messing with this. Maybe I should be making more brine. Let's do it like this. There you go. I'm pretty sure this guy is not going to be able to supply all the seawater, but let's give it a go. More brine. Okay, next up. Chlorine, low supply. This is what we're struggling with. Why are they taking chlorine from here? Actually, I'm maybe fine with this. They still didn't take care of this filter media. That's gonna take a while. What do I do with the pipes now? Excavator, no fuel. Well, somebody needs to take care of that. I'm not refueling that. Train is being filled. We're gonna need more copper. Copper is being filled fast. I'm happy with that. Most of it is copper, so it's all good. Right, are you milling? Waiting for products. Why are you waiting for products? 72. That shouldn't be the case. Something is wrong here. Maybe that was just building up the capacity or something. While I'm here, I should go for more bauxite. Let's go deeper. Moods. Chlorine. Brine. Let me see the pipes here. Okay, these pipes are full, but these are moving. How much brine do we need? 24, 24, 48, so at least one of these. Yeah, and how much you were converting here? 72. So 48 here and 72 here, that's hundreds of brine. We're getting only 96 here. 100 and 48, right? 80? I forgot. 48 and 72, that's 80, 120 brine. This is giving us 96, and whatever this one is giving us. Why do I say whatever this one is giving us? Because we don't know how much we're getting steam-wise. I don't calculate that because these guys are not working at 100% capacity. So, hey-ho. Population overview. Air pollution, very low. Mostly is burning coal from here, as far as I understand. I think we can filter even that and find out where the pollution is coming from. But all in all, I'm happy with this. Trains pollution, yes, we have the steam trains, the big steam train. I'm happy with that. Let it be. I'm willing to take the loss on that one just because I like steam train. It looks great. Okay, wood. We had a problem with wood, and now I employed more vehicles to transport wood from here. I was even thinking of having a big wood production on this island, but this island is full of resources, so it's going to be a lot of terrain degradation. So I'm not 100% sure how it's going to look like when we're, done with the island. Like, I didn't know what to do with the coal here. There's an enormous amount of iron here and uranium, as we know, and then, transport stuff is going to be transported like limestone maybe from here. We'll see when we continue conquering the space, how it's going to look like. So yeah, depends. Low supply of water, we need to be careful about this. We do have water here, but looks like it's not enough. Looks like we are not getting enough water over here. That's a concern. So this is what we're trying to balance here. Let's do some calculations. If we are recycling all the poo, which we should be, we are getting back 160 to 120, that would be 75% water back. So 75% of this water, it's coming back. So 75% would be 1/4 of this, it's 56, right? Minus 56, that would be something like that. So 170 water comes from here out of 270. So this one needs to be bigger pipe, but even with this... are they complaining about water? They are a bit. This needs to be bigger, but that also means that we need more water in this direction. Do we have prioritization of this water? Yes, we do. Are we consuming this water anywhere? Doesn't seem so. That's a gas station. So all the water should be coming in here, and that should be close to 200. So where is water going then? Ah, these guys here. These are consuming water. And these guys are also... Oh, wow, I didn't know that these guys are consuming water. So this is additional max 196 plus here 2 times 18. That's hundreds of water more. So you're telling me that this is not enough water here? That's very interesting. I'm pretty sure I'm depleting constantly these. Well, this is a lot of water. Maybe I'm not. I'm thinking that I'm supposed to get more water in this area. And how do I do that? These guys are also running lower. They're gonna be depleted eventually. Oh, whoa. What was that? Full output. This is not supposed to be it. Okay. That's a problem. Let's see why the water is not coming here. They're still complaining about full output. Okay, calculations. This is 48, so all of these should be under 200. All of them are connected to the level 2 pipes, so level 2 is 200. All of this should be able to transport all the water that we need. Water comes in here, all the pipes are 200, so well, at least they should be. Water coming here, this should be flowing smoothly. Yeah, it's running close to a capacity. You can see that it's being blocked for a second. Let's see what could be the cause of this. All of this is going here, and then they say it's splitting in two directions. So one of them, there's not. That's not. Oh, right. Okay. So what's this? This one is being blocked. This one is working. It's not working to a full capacity. Maybe after I build this bigger pipe, they got bigger capacity, because this one is also not working. So looks like we have enough water. It's not giving us to consume more water. That means that this pipe was probably... No. It shouldn't be, because here they should be consuming all of this. I will be detangling this, or this is... Ah, this is not working. Yeah. I intentionally depleted this, so that's why it was behaving like that. Let's remove all of this. And then I'm pretty sure none of the water is coming in, because it shouldn't. And then here we have all this water, this pipe going in that direction, so we just need to cut this pipe and connect it to this pipe, and it should be fine. I'm gonna let the vehicles do this. Ooh, data center problems. It's feisty. I'm all in. Let's see. What's the problem now? I need to give them more. Let's go all in. Let's go all in. So next step would be more data centers. Probably moving this pathway somewhere more to the left or something. We'll see. Okay, mine control tower, no mining designations. That is a problem. We need to go for good stuff. I'll do this as well. How are you doing here? You're doing poorly here. We're not getting enough of this. How many vehicles do you have? Habada. 2 more. Definitely, we're gonna need that. Okay, what's next? Next is... I was thinking about something, I totally forgot what. That's Oolykee for you. Where the hell did you get in? Wow. Okay. Oh, if I'm gonna do this pipes, I should be moving them in this direction, right? Yeah, remove all of that. I think, like, here. This is also gonna be gone. I think initially I can do... Let's do it. Let's do it here. This is going to be moved. That's perfectly fine. We need just a balancer here, and I think this is okay. Okay, so the problem here, or solution to this here, we're gonna have a pipe going here. I think it should be fine, far enough from the city. Where's the city? Here we go, housing. 1, 2... Ooh, maybe not. Maybe not. Sure. Okay. I mean, like, we can grow the city and then slowly move it, but, well, at least if I know that this is the case, I'm definitely gonna move it a bit further, so... I hope this is okay. Pipe balancer. Just build it. Yeah, I'll put the pipe somewhere closer to the coast and then reconnect it. It doesn't really matter where it's connected. It can go all the way to the pier here, to the port. Dock key. Look at the stuff that we have. Sludge. Let me see. They will be empty of this stuff eventually, so I'm gonna just allow them to accept some of this stuff, because vehicles will bring it. Uranium ore, that's far away. I don't want to deal with that. I did give them even this copper ore crushed, but they're not taking it. Wafers. I don't think we're ever gonna have capacity to accept those. But let's give it a go. Wait, what? Ah, I was emptying this. I was like, why is this going in the wrong direction? Yeah, I was emptying it. I also had a problem like I had before of the conveyor belts filling here, but at the moment it's working fine. I'm gonna just show you the microchips situation. We had it stopped. Why did it stop? The same problems as the previous series. This setup that I'm running here, it's obviously flawed because I'm not getting the I'm getting stuck because feeding this back in and not having and these guys here are feeding this too fast, so it just the whole system receives new parts before the old parts are being reconstructed. I'm experimenting a little bit with having this faster flat conveyor belt set up here, and I did put half of this in operation as well, just FYI. But yeah, that's the current situation. I didn't upgrade these machines though, so they're not upgraded. They're just lower grade, and it's only 3 of them working. I didn't put everything in operation, so yeah, just FYI. Okay, water, high supply. Oh my god, what the hell? Pause. What the hell did I do? I didn't. How? What? When did I demolish this? Oh, I demolished it from the other side. Ooh, problems. Okay, let's do it like this. Who's producing water here? These guys are consuming water, so leave them alone. They're consuming water. So if consumption of water is here for the city and here for these cleaning industries, the main point is over here then, not over there, for all the water. I can... Yeah, I'll do this. Let's do it from here, like I said initially. This is going... Let's do a quick calculation. This is a 2-size pipe. How much water we can get from here? We can definitely get... Well, actually, no. No, my bad. How much water we're gonna get from here? That's 200. Now, we're not gonna get more than that, okay? So, and some of this water is being used over here for the acid production. I don't think it's a lot of water, but yeah, acid production. This has notification, that's fine. We have excess water that nobody is consuming. I need to recalculate some of the stuff here. Let me see if I can make this look nicer. I don't think I can. Pipe is below here, so I would have to go from here. Oh dear God. Do you have to go that way? Okay. Okay, that's it. I can now be a cheapskate and drain this water by rotating the pipe. There we go. And this one here, what do I do with this? I can drain this as well. Eventually it's gonna go away. This is already drained, so go away. Remove this and notify me if empty, so I can remove the tank. There we go. So all the water being produced from here, we have a first balancer telling it to go into the acid production, but everything else is going here. Maximum 200 water, this is never gonna happen. But then from here, this 200 water is fine. We're gonna have introduction of a lot of water here. So I'm gonna go for at least three wide here. So this is going to be 120 plus 200, that's 450. That's all good to here, but after this I think in like worst case scenarios we might need bigger, and then there's no bigger than this, so that's it. I'm gonna just do it this way, so this should be idiot proof, so you know, almost safe for me to use. Okay, so continuing on, this should give us some excess water. Is it? Yes, it is. We are filling with water here, that's fine. Now we get to this point. Currently it's fine, but we're supposed to be building new balanced, a new pipe from this balancer. So this is 200 pipe. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna try to avoid coastal areas. This is all going to be the city, so I don't think I can avoid this. City is going to be all the way to here, the next block, so... Okay. Yeah, the temporary solution, that's gonna be permanent one. Overpass. Yes, please. This with Unity. This Unity, I'm using this Unity like crazy, so... when this pipe is done, I need this pipe as well. Ooh, we don't have the... I need to connect it there as well. Let's do it this way. So this is priority output here. Oh, they greened all this area. Perfect, nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. They did put gravel here. I'll just ignore this. New layer of greenery here. Oh. There we go. I can do at least over here, this area. So we have... I can use this pipe as well. Let's say that I want to do this, for example. I know that I need to go in this area because this is going to be straightening it. There we go. Build this. And then we can start removing all of this. I'll let vehicles remove this. And ta-da! Okay, it looks a little bit nicer, but it is what it is. Okay, vehicles cannot get to this. They're gonna be blocked. These vehicles are blocked. I will have to build overpasses, yes. And here, they can go that way. No, I'm not gonna build anything here. Rest of the pipeline I'm gonna be dealing in my own way, but filter media still needs to be emptied. I'm gonna let it be for now, but we have a clear area for the CD expansion. Ta-da! Radioactive waste storage is low on supply. Yes, please. That means conveyor belt, pause. Factory needs to be paused as well, but needs to process what it has. So finally we processed all of this. All of the used waste. Now we're gonna have a little bit more pressure on the uranium mining. This was a little bit pressure off them, but we're gonna get more pressure on it now. I need to be careful about what we're doing there because this the yellow cake here was not being used that much recently because of the supply of 1% uranium, which I put in all the recipes to be priority over the other, which creates less depleted uranium and does not consume yellow cake. That means that all of these guys were working barely. You can see this guy was, yeah, barely working. We do have... no, I'm thinking if any of the conveyor belts are not... Ah, look at these guys. I didn't copy paste settings here. So copy, bong, bong, bong. There we go. So Yeah, they have priority. They were consuming yellow cake. Why these guys were actually working is because some of them didn't have the recipe set up. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is exactly how much uranium we are making, or sorry, consuming with 2 nuclear power plants. So we are balanced. But it's not calculated that we have recycling of uranium. Oh, and boom, perfect timing, huh? Pause you, and then this guy needs to tell me when it's empty, so I can stop, well, the actual production of... well, no, this is the MOX fuel. This is not the 1% uranium. Oh, my bad. My bad. Why is this not... why wasn't this working? I totally forgot about this. Doesn't matter. Hey, MOX fuel on the way. Just double checking the MOX fuel storages. 50%, 52%, and the second nuclear power plant is 12% plus. Again, we have more storages for MOX fuel that we're gonna be dealing with later. Perfect. This is all working fine. Really happy. New filtration system here. I still don't know if this is enough water or not. We'll have to see. Input water here is 200. Just doing calculations here. 200. They're splitting it between these two because I don't have a balancer here. How much water we are consuming over here? 62% and 61%. So let's say 60% of 36. 3.6. I don't know. 50% would be 18. So let's say 60% would be 20. 20 water here, and then this is working also on 60%, so 20, 50, 70, 75, 75, 80 water they are consuming for their... oh, perfect, even this is done. Boom, boom, boom. I'll let vehicles disassemble this, and that would be it from story of water. Well, spaghetti pipes here. There's many more spaghetti pipes, fear not, that needs to be resolved, and I'm still thinking what's the best way to approach this. But for now, I'm happy with how it turned out to be. City growth, well, we can grow more. 135 people we have at the moment. We still have capacity to develop some of these areas. Let's see, there's a lot of orange parts happening. What's happening here? Why is everything orange? I don't know. Water? No? I don't know. We have a low amount of these. Why is it so? Let's do calculations. Let's see household items. They were dropping down. Was it production? Ah, wood, right? Was it a wood problem? I think it was wood problem. Looks like it's being resolved now. I didn't properly even address this, and this guy here is full. So why are you complaining? This is full storage. They have a little bit less than full amount of these. Where's my... and this would be then the supply problem, probably, I would say. Low supply of microchips still, but it's more than 60 and nobody is taking them away. That means only one thing, that the other storage is full, which actually also needs transport, but you can see the problem we have. No transport. Looks like the vehicles in this zone, that would be default zone, are very busy. 69 vehicles, all busy. Yeah, sure. Let's go and build 5 more vehicles. Hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. A little bit more. What's with rockets? Rockets are queued up. We have more than enough rockets. I will just put more of them here. They are doing the maintenance of the space. Oh, we can upgrade it. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. 5, let's do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Coffee. Never gets old. Never gets old. Next rocket on the way. I think the next rocket even here is built. They just need to lift it and... Yeah, that's it. We will have a pressure on our industries. I think we are set well to continue doing this. Power, 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 power. Power is interesting thing. I don't know what to do with power. Oh, we have spaghettis here as well. This is seawater. Water needs to go in this direction. Can we use this? No, but we will soon. Let me untangle this while we are here. While I'm fixing all the world's problem. Give me the map of Middle East. We're gonna fix it right now. So water here, 3 water. Are we really getting 3 water out of here? Very interesting. I don't think we are. 3 water. No, we are. Every 3 is 100. Yeah, we are. So we can do and fix these pipes from here. Boom. And that means that we can then disassemble this one. We can be cheapskates like I usually am and just cut a little bit piece here, let the pipe drain, and then disassemble the whole pipe. Actually, this is 2 pipes, so we can do it here. Oh, I see water still passing through it. Yeah, it's empty now. Not enough unity. Oh, dear lord. Okay, whatever. Once powerful power plant was here. Not any longer. Not anymore. Okay, we're gonna have to have an overpass here as well. I might have to... I mean, they can go around, right? No, I'm gonna build overpass, definitely. Let's do you... Why am I losing unity? I don't like that. And then this pipe also needs to be fixed, and voila, look how much space we have here now. And we have a new football pitches here, new greenery. Proper football, not American egg hand. Here we go. Why are they so finicky about this? Why they're not putting... I'm still leaving access for this gravel that needs to be dumped here. Nobody's dumping gravel here. I know why. Because here I told these guys that they... Ooh. This looks like making mistakes here. Not mistakes, but I'm almost... The trucks can't even pass through here anymore. Well, barely can. They're not dumping gravel there because I told them to build a bridge to this, what is it, the Quartz Island. Quartz Island. They removed all the pipes, that's great. Unity is growing, that's cool. I'll build this right there. I think this is Feng Shui. I'll unpause this. I'm keep making these overpasses and not building them because I don't see the point in them, and this one is not even in a good location. Needs to go one right. But there's no point in them, so I just give up on making them. But this one is gonna be useful because they can pass easily on one side and the other side here. Low pressure, there we go. Problems. What did they do? Here we go. Problem. What's happening? It's obviously here. Output is full of water. Water. Full of water there, full of water going in this direction, full of water here, full of water. Okay. Input needs to be from here. There we go. So we are not is this a 2 pipe? Oh dear God. Oh no, it's 3 pipe. Oh wow. I didn't see it well, but actually should be bigger. This is 4 pipe now. What was the problem here is we were getting water from here as well, and we should not get water from here. This is only excess water if we cannot supply enough water through here. This should be resolved now, because this would be backlogging our CO2, our everything. And now the CO2 can be also, these pipes can be made tidier. I can connect them here, remove some of these excess pipes. I have these balancers as well that I don't like. These balancers don't need to exist. This is when I was balancing between power production and water production. I went all in on electricity. Like I said, this should be resolved. Hopefully soon. Yeah, I would like to resolve the pipes, though. I don't like where this pipe is, how this pipe is going. I think I would like to... I don't know where I'm gonna put this pipe, the white one here. And this one can go where it is, but I'm gonna just put it on a lower level. We can do it like this. Demolish from here. And maybe I should have done it when I had less, when the steam was depleted. I should have done it when the steam was depleted, so it's only working 60% now. They have a lot of steam, probably even backlogged pollution that needs to be resolved. So this pipe is fine. The other pipe, the CO2 pipe, I'll see where this needs to go. I have other problems to deal with. Okay, what would be the next thing? Well, researching wise, we're gonna go for these laptops or consumer electronics. Coal wise, we're done. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna be cheapskate here as well, but yeah, look at these guys playing in the sand. Envy them. I envy them. No mining designation, that would be iron. We're getting a lot of iron from here, so continue, please. Do this one as well, because I'm gonna have to, probably this is gonna be a ramp going down. And the opposite spectrum, we have the soil here done. We dumped a lot of soil here. Oh, choo-choo, motherfucker. Oh, I mean, choo-choo. This is full. Why is this? It's full of limestone. Can I, do I do anything with here? So why are they not dumping limestone? If this is pure limestone... Oh, it's not. Oh, it's not. None of them is. Yeah, I told them to dump pure limestone in the storages, right? Sure, not pure limestone though. Okay, so yeah, I need to, well, I stopped doing this. At least this ramp is now bigger. Previously we had problems with this ramp because it was, I was digging into the ramp from this side. We have more now space. I'm looking into getting rid of this iron here first, so we can put gravel, close the mine from this side, so we can have proper ramp. Permanent ramp, because this is going to be going left and right because all the resources below, and also maybe this coastal train, I don't know how much this is going to be bothering me, this limestone underground, if I would want to go after that or not. We'll see. The thing that I said that it's resolved looks like it's not. Steam is flowing. That's a big amount of steam. Steam is flowing, so don't... Oh, steam stopped. This is too high. Yeah, this is not looking good. What's with these guys? They're working 61% because the output is full. Output water in that direction full. Let's recalculate the water again. This is working fine. But what's this? This is 6 times 33. 6 times 33 is less than 200, so 200 pipes should be able to handle it. But it's not here. Why is this not being handled? 200 pipe. Oh, is it gonna be one of those days? Because this pipe is not working. Yeah, look at this. None of all of it is stopping. I think the pipe size is fine. I think it's currently could be water consumption. So Are we really getting, producing so much water that we... output priority here. This is 450. This is 900. Why is this 450? Oh, okay. Maybe. But I doubt that there's more than 450 water going through this pipe. I sincerely doubt it. So I'll upgrade it, but I'm not optimistic about this. Let's let it run for a while. Let's see the brine here. Brine is looking good. I think it's restocking. Did we get full... No, I think it was also... I don't know. I'm gonna be talking out of my ass. I don't know why. Chlorine low, wood supply is better, but still low. Ore sorting plant full output. That would be dumping stuff. They have dumping. This is just a vehicle availability. More vehicle... all of this that I'm... all of this that I'm clicking, it's full of gravel. They need to dump the gravel. So, yeah. Oh, look at these guys. New Maracana. They're making new stadium. Yeah, dumping grounds. Yeah, for some reason they dump here, but it looks like they cannot enter this area. Very interesting. I'm still gonna be doing excavating here, so I'm not touching that. So I might have to do something here. Let me see if I can play with this. Edit area, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do... Let's do it this way. No, this is... Let's go one more. If I do it like this, and then I go for landscaping, and I go and remove all of you, and try to put an angled stuff here. Will it work? I don't know, but it's gonna be angled soil. Oh, this is... That's not angled. That's angled. At least it's gonna be soil, so if they bake a ramp here, so they can dump more products here, it's gonna be made of... grass, so we will be able to just continue greening everything without any big problems. The other project of greening is right here. I think I did a decent job as much as I could. This is a little bit... I don't like this. I don't want to... Ooh. What are you doing? Ah, they're doing this. Yeah, go away. This is the Perpetuum mobile machine. These were dumping, these were taking. These were dumping, these were taking. This is done almost. I mean, it's not done. This is gonna go further in this direction, but I'm gonna have to just select more excavation for them. 4 more at least. This is where the copper is gonna grow, in this direction. I need all of this removed, so yeah. I mean, copper currently is looking good, but that can change overnight, and capacity is definitely needed. We have still 7 smelters. Mine control tower, no mining designations. Yeah, sure. Is this coal? This looks like it might be. I'll just take it. What about L? L doesn't show me anything. I'll do this one and this one here to be done with this coal. I see that we're running out of space to dump stuff. And here... I think I'm gonna have to go in this direction. And here can go like this. There we go. That's a lot of... That's some coal. And I don't even know what I'm doing with this coal. Seems like this is not even producing power anymore. To be honest, I just want it gone for now. Do we have any confusion here? No, everything looks good. Do we need more rocks? We will eventually, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, chlorine. Low supply of chlorine. That's not a problem. Brine. Looks like it's not a problem again, but I'll follow up on that. Steam. Not a problem. That was resolved. Wood here. Looks like it's growing again. I think it's a delivery problem now. of a lot of stuff. Blocked output, delivery problem, blocked output because we don't have enough of this. Is this working 100%? Yes, it is. That's perfect to see. Okay, so alert storage of radioactive. Yeah, it's not anymore because I told them to tell me when it's empty. How to resolve this? Just turn it on and off. Low supply of microchips. Is this having any problems? No, everything. The conveyor belts are free. They're empty, so I'm really happy to see that. So no issues there. Everything is working. I could upgrade these to restock, or even I can maybe pause these. I can pause these, so free up some labor and, you know, computing power and whatnot. So we have, well, hopefully everything handled under control. Because this is now full of my microchips. So I don't have any problems with that. Okay, well, yeah. What about notification? Ooh, that's a problem. Unity going down. What was that sound? Microchips. What was I looking at here? Damn it! I forgot. My mind wandered off. Oh right, why am I getting this notification? 75%. Yeah, leave it. I mean, like, it's 75% now, so if I turn it on and off, it's gonna be fine. But somebody's gonna take a load now, so it's gonna be a problem. Gas, I would say that we have a low amount of hydrogen here because of low amount of gas production. But no, this is working. All of these are working fine. Yeah, I mean, with the cars and everything else that we have, I think hydrogen is going to be a problem. Well, like, it's constantly going to be bigger and bigger problems, so, yeah, whatever. Oh, I think I skipped something. Yeah, I just noticed this. Next level of medical supplies. I'll research that as well. Maybe I should have gone for this. Well, both of these are going to be increasing our unity, so it's fine. And solar panels, I'm not sure what to think about solar panels. But yeah, all in all, I think that's it. The spaghetti thing is gone. The expansion of the city is possible now. We have a lot of free space. All of this is going to be removed once we're done with mining this. So there's that. Do we have anything else I would like to address? I was thinking of moving these, like, these thing is there, but the shops and modules, yeah, food markets and stuff. But now, if I'm gonna be building next level, next city expansion in this direction, that might not be possible. So this way, this is gonna be all the way to here. Yeah, we're not gonna have space here for... we don't have to have space. We can have a nice forest here on the seaside. Yeah, we'll see. But there's go. More space for the city growth. That's not a problem anymore. I'll see if I can get some inspiration from other people, YouTubers, people on Reddit and elsewhere, how to design the cities, because it doesn't have to be square. You know, Oolykee I love my squares, but it doesn't have to be like this. It can be much better. Don't have fuel. That's... I'm thinking that this could be a problem. That I'm gonna have to have more excavators here. But at least this is not a problem anymore. But yeah, maybe we don't need it. Now they're gonna be refilling this because train has a lot of bauxite. I need to be high supply of compost. I need to be... What's happening? Ooh. Maybe? I'm thinking, yeah, I paused this contract with soil for gas. I don't see a lot of greening in the future, our future. I mean, like, yes, there will be greening of stuff. Closed mines, even this area, which I forgot about, which we're gonna have to green. But we are getting a lot of compost, and this could be a problem down the line. Because we need to get rid of this compost. There's nothing we can do with the greenery. We can burn stuff for energy, but these, like, for example, biomass, not much you can do with this, except, like, for example, power plant. I think we can... it needs a boiler. I thought that you can burn it in the waste thing, but I think it's better to burn it in a boiler. This waste is really not efficient. Creates a lot of pollution, uses fuel to burn, and creates very little steam. So yeah, that's something also that I'm gonna be working on improving. But for now, I think we're We are... Whoa, 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 whoa. It's always, with these things, it's always water. Yeah, it's always water. What's happening with water here? We are having too much water. These are only 2 wide pipes. That's not enough capacity, I think. Let's do... Oh yeah, this is now definitely not it. 2 wide capacity. This is 3 wide. It's from here. This needs to be upgraded at least. Oh. Darn you. That's a lot. Let's cancel this. What can I do? I think the coal power plants are kicking in here, which also means I'm gonna have to build more of these coal power plants. And that being said, this water definitely... Yeah, so what's the calculation here? We have 16 plus 8, that's 24. 24 times... so, calculator, so that would be here. 24 desalinators, each one of them has 33 water. 792 water production here at maximum. Yes, a huge amount, if not most of it, is being consumed back into the system. Huge amount is being consumed back, but 700, but a huge amount is going out, and this amount is more than... Oh, there we go. Now we're having... you know what? This is a problem. Let's go and... we either have to throttle down the nuclear. Yeah, let's do nuclear then. I'm just gonna throttle this down. Cooling! Cooling towers. Excess steam. This is just a chimney smokestack that is evaporating this water. But yeah, we have obviously a power problem, and it's caused by the... at the moment, I think it's this pipe. Plus, bear in mind that even this power plant that is barely working is also contributing to... Oh, no, it's not. This one is taking water. Maybe that's the problem, because they're not consuming this water. Yeah, I need to upgrade this pipe, and it's gonna cost us 16 unity. We only have 6. Do I want to wait for trucks to deliver it, or do I wait for... I guess you're never gonna find out. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring at the comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have description of the video. See you next one. Bye.